This is a short video about something I recently discovered, and this is probably something you never heard about, and I wasn't aware of any of this stuff, the best 3D website or Howler or anything of this 1 week ago. But yeah, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos recently, and I was watching this particular Lightwave tutorial, and it was a tutorial about how to make landscapes in Lightwave and how to use displacement maps there, and there was this guy who gave a very nice presentation about that. So he mentioned he's also a programmer and creator of a painting program called PD Howler, and yeah, the whole title is actually the whole name is, I think, Project Dogwaffle. what a lovely name there is. And so I went to YouTube and I watched their trailer, and it's just blew me away. It was so like I just felt the passion of the creators of this, and I saw that, and yeah, I bought their PD Artist version of their suite, and it's basically the PD Artist is the same as the whole application, the PD Howler, which is the full suite, and the PD Artist is it's as I say, purely ballistic, keep it cute. It's this. Without saying more, I think let's jump right in. So I have like very little. I've just started to use this, so I'm a total beginner. I probably know not much more than you. There's like we have like menus here. It looks like the GUI feels like a Linux application. It doesn't feel like Windows. It feels rather nice, and the way how this is all laid out seems to make much sense. We have a color wheel here. We have a mixer, very nice. Looks pretty cool actually. Harmony. Oh yeah, you can see those complementary analogs. Yes, those things there, and what else? Gradients, things, whatnot. Yes, we have plenty of filters here. Render, we could probably, if we can do this, I actually did this once. I was able to render out something here, but what I'm really interested about mostly are the painting features and how we can actually how we can paint. Obviously, we are able to do that. We have these particle settings here, these particle sort of brushes, I suppose, and these are really cool. What I was playing around with these, and I really love this painterly, this tangible feel of the paint that you can achieve, and you have various of several different options in here, and it feels very responsive, and one of the sort of selling points of the suite, the whole program suite, is that it's supposed to be fast, and in my test, absolutely this is a very responsive application. What I've so far tested this, and there's very little lag, and it all and yeah, I have had I had like one crash when I just played around with this, and you know, yeah, it so far I'm having good time what comes to the software quality, I suppose. We have we can do these things. We have orbicals. That's a new word. Never heard of this before. Action models for optipustics. Okay, another new word. All right. So yeah, these are animated brushes, I suppose. Let's see, can we do this? Okay. Maybe increase the brush size. color. And seems to be rather interesting. Red. Yeah. Looks pretty interesting. Oh, look at this. Feels pretty, and it's somehow it's very responsive actually, you know. And you can see those. I mean, this is awesome. Look at this. I mean, the kind of the artistic kind of. I already kind of feel that this could become something, you know. Even just by throwing this mess of colors in here, I already kind of feel that, yeah, this could become, you know, something. And that's kind of actually the thing about why we make art, is that kind of this that you get the piece start to kind of live life of its own, and you get these happy accidents. And I can see a lot of happy accidents coming on my way with these applications. So yeah, oh man, this is cool. Yeah, and what I tried out actually this foliage thing, and this is like really, yeah, I gotta say that you got these are, I think, this rules thing. I don't know what this means. I kind of understand that this rule is some sort of a method of creating procedural vegetation or something like that. We have various different things. We can do bamboo thing, and it sort of creates. I think this is maybe some sort of particles which then follow certain kind of rules or something, and basically every time you do this, you get different seed, and you get a completely unique tree. And yeah, you can kind of understand. I can already see the potential of this. So what I sort of played around with this a little bit, and I found that we have this concept of swap image, and according to PDL or documentation, swap image is a backside of your paper. So you can store image in there, and then that image can drive certain features. So let's try that. Let's jump to swap image, and let's try make gradient. All right. I think we have a gradient here now. Which one will be better? Maybe this way. We will do it this way and go back, and we have this option here down here which calls a Z-scale guide. And if I understood right, this I don't know if this will work, but if I understood right, this Z-scale guide can actually control the size of our foliage which we are drawing. So also, yeah, actually we should create this the other way around. Just a moment, I'm gonna swap it like that and go back. So basically we can sort of make so that the foliage nearby the camera will be bigger, and they will go shrink by distance. And let's try to do this. So we're gonna be look at this. We are able to get a sort of result which maybe make a new layer, and let's see if we do this. So now we can get the distance here. So when we go far away, further away, we're able to do that, and that's really cool. We can maybe throw like, I don't know, yeah, it starts to look like something. Let's load another one. Maybe we could, I think I like the Asian look, the bamboo look. Or what is that? Let's go branch. Maybe branch would be better. Look at this! Wow! Yeah. Look at this. We can go to the distance and add you know, some trees in there. Maybe go Maybe I'd like to have another one. Grass. Yes. So I mean that even only these features, you get really nice painting program, and you get foliage and these interactive brushes, and you get all of this, and this cost me $27. So I'm really excited about how to start to use this, and if you're looking for painting program, and especially those people who are maybe not professionals, and they're just like people who want to paint and who want to use the computer for creating art casually without investing into Adobe Photoshop subscription, or investing into another kind of more expensive programs. I think that this is absolutely brilliant worth of money. You're getting all these, and you get layered based, you get all the same and even more blending modes here in layers, and even I haven't still not at all dived into all the features this seems to have. There's a lot of features, a lot of filters, and some of them are very surprisingly deep. But even though this is all we have, already I'm feeling that, okay, well, this is definitely worth of $27. Well, might be one of the best $27 I've ever used. So yeah, I'm going to keep using this and start to kind of dive in and make another video when I get that. So yeah,